Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Melissa Suhu, licensed clinical psychologist with Sequoia Counseling and Wellness Services in Orange County, California. Today I'm going to be talking about how to handle the nervousness and anxiety that you might be feeling as you're thinking about contacting a therapist, scheduling an appointment, or attending therapy for the very first time. So first off, nervousness and anxiety are common experiences for people who are new to therapy. In fact, thoughts such as, what will we talk about? What will she think of me? And how bad am I? Are common worries. There's no need to let therapy get postponed because of these concerns. In fact, here are 3 strategies that I like to offer to overcome worries and do your part to get there by asking for help. And the rest will be up to your therapist. Number 1. If the therapist you're interested in offers free initial phone consultations, I would encourage you to take the therapist out for a test drive and ask your questions. There's low risk involved, and you can schedule that first appointment when you're ready. In my free phone consultations, I like to understand the person's situation and what they're expecting of the treatment process. I basically want to know if we would be a good fit. I also want to be sure that they're comfortable using teletherapy and answer any questions they have about setup or about therapy in general. I would be hard-pressed to find a client who has called me for this consultation and regretted taking advantage of that opportunity. Number 2, it would make sense that you have mixed feelings or nervousness about reaching out if you aren't clear about your why. So I have a little activity for those of you who this might be applying to. Take out a piece of paper and divide it into 4 sections. The top 2 sections, you can write the costs and the benefits of change being calling the therapist, scheduling an appointment, attending an appointment, all of that. And then on the bottom part, you could put no change and the benefits and the costs. So it will look something like, I could get it. Never mind, like that. And so the benefits of asking for therapy or attending therapy is that I would find out, maybe some ideas about what I'm doing right or wrong to help myself feel better or worse. And I would get some professional treatment advice. The costs are, I might not learn anything, and I have to talk about things that make me uncomfortable. If we look at no change, in other words, you don't reach out for therapy and you just continue as you are, the benefits might be, well, I already know what to expect. I do this pretty well. I've been doing it well for however long I've been doing it. And I don't have to think or talk about the things I don't want to think or talk about. And the costs of not changing are, well, my problem will continue, most likely, and I won't feel better, and it will affect my relationships in a negative way. This tool might be especially helpful if there are reasons for your hesitation. Number 3, we tend to avoid things that make us uncomfortable. So as we think about counseling or even certain medical visits, it may trigger feelings of shame, guilt, failure, or regret. So how do you manage these thoughts and feelings so that you don't continue suffering? If you consider your current situation as a moment in the course of your lifetime, how do you wish to move forward? Are there certain psychological or behavioral barriers that keep you from performing better, feeling healthier, having happier relationships? A lot of H words here. Try to think of therapy as a way to get a boost over the current obstacles you are facing so that you can be better in the big picture of your life. As therapists, we recognize that our clients are often reenacting the struggles they face in the outside world in their personal lives within the therapy relationship. The difference is that within the therapy relationship, you have a safe place available where you can work through these challenges as you uncover a healthier and more fulfilled version of you. If you're interested in a free 15-minute phone consultation for teletherapy services, I would be more than happy to chat with you about your concerns and offer suggestions for next steps. You can contact me, Dr. Melissa Suhu, through my website, www.sequoiacounselingoc.com, or via phone 949-337-1034. Be well.